Every single time that I'm snapping, something is being sold on Amazon. Guys, it's crazy the amount of things that are sold on Amazon, okay? Now, what I want to talk about real quick is the year 2020. Now, 2020 has been terrible for a lot of people. It's been horrible. A lot of people lost their jobs, a lot of people aren't working, a lot of people are staying at home, whatever it is, guys. It's just not fun. You can't go out, you can't do things, everything's closed down, all right? But what I want to say is that 2020 has been very stressful financially for a lot of people, okay? It's been very stressful. But the one thing that 2020 did for me was I was able to have a safety net, okay? There was a safety net in front of me selling products online and being able to make money, okay? Even though I might not have worked as much, even though there was a potential of me losing my job, even though there's a lot of things that could happen in the year 2020, guys, I was able to have a safety net that I could fall back on that was still bringing in money every single month. Now, what I was doing was selling on Amazon, okay? I'm just being transparent with you. I sold products on Amazon, and every single 2 weeks, I got a paycheck coming in every single 2 weeks that was able to I just felt secure, guys. I felt that I didn't need to go out there and try and do different things like a lot of people are doing right now. A lot of people are trying to do a lot of things online or in the world to make more money right now, and a lot of stuff isn't working. But what I want to say, guys, is the year 2021 is around the corner. It's coming. It's almost here, guys. 2020 is almost over, thank God, okay? But 2021, guys, is your year of opportunity. It's your year to create that safety net that I had in the year of 2020 because, guys, Amazon is pandemic proof. Jeff Bezos' net worth went up $40 to $50 billion in the year of 2020, okay? And it's been insane, guys. A lot of things have happened, but this safety net has helped thousands and thousands and thousands of people who sell online, okay? There is a safety net, and I just want to keep saying that. There's a safety net. It's there, okay? But this safety net created opportunities for people to start other things, okay? You're able to start selling on other websites. You're able to start doing this and doing that, being able to make money consistently, all right? Now, you're probably sitting at home right now on your computer, on your phone, whatever it is, and you don't know what to do. You don't know where you want to take your next steps. You don't know if you want to start a business. You don't know if you're going to have a job tomorrow, whatever it is, guys. All I want to say is that if you click the link below, there is a training about how to sell on Amazon. It teaches you how to find a product, where to find products, how to find products, what products are good, what products are bad, everything like that, guys. There's a lot that goes on in this training. It's completely free. All right, it is 100% free. Just click the link below. And it may not be for you, and that is completely fine, guys. All we want to do is just give the opportunity that we had in 2020 to people out there for 2021 because we understand that it's been rough. We understand that a lot of people are struggling. But right now, guys, is your time to change. Right now is your time to motivate yourself to watch something and learn something. That's all we're trying to do is get you to learn something. That's it. Learn something, create a safety net, and I promise you, you will be good in the year 2021. I'll see you there.